Welcome along everyone, great to see you. Let's do a few candles. So we've got the drawing already laid out and we're going to use Dangerous Dave, our large dagger brush, to start proceedings. Just have a little water just whizzed across the surface there, left to right, and this will allow the paint to flow really nice and easily. I'm going to dive in with lemon yellow and we're just crossing the brush left to right across the candle area. Just going to throw a little bit of cad orange in now. Again, the same sort of shape with the brush. Always consider how you use the brush, not just the tip, but the sides as well. A little bit of Indian red, same process, and this will allow it all to bleed together because we put that little bit of water down for a start. Jumping in now with a little bit of Rose Opera. That's a Daniel Smith's colour there, just dotting that down. Just thickening it up a little bit in places. This will, in a very short while, help us make the berries at the base of the design there. So great little drop in. Let's repeat that with Alizerin Crimson at the top, and we're just carefully going around the yellow, lemon yellow from the flames there. Again, we build up the colour, we don't just throw it all on in one big area, we just dob it down, dob it and go. Good little phrase. A little bit of royal blue now, just along the edges, and again we scoot around the colours we've already got there. We don't drop it in, we scoot next to it and let it bleed together. Sounds good to me. A little bit of purple as well along the edges, furthest away from the light. That makes the actual candlelight more dramatic. So I'm going to leave you with a little bit of candle music, guys. Do enjoy, and don't forget to look in the description below for all of the colours and the kit, and you can get the fully narrated version on my channel below. So again, look in the description, that will take you across there, and you can get the full narrated description as we work through the process. So see you in a little while, guys. So a little bit of splatterization, what a great word. So all we're doing is a little cad orange on Miss Rigger and just splatter along the line that you want the droplets to fall. So a straight brush and off you go. A little bit of cad red on the berries just to bring a few out. Just circle around and leaving a dot of light in the berries. We're not doing all of them, just a few. So just a few more little berries, guys, and we are done. A fabulous little Christmas card or image to present to a friend or family. Perfect. So if you'd like to see more, hundreds of more of my tutorials, fully narrated, please feel free to drop by on the description below, and you can be painting loose for this Christmas. So thanks again, and I shall catch you all again very, very soon.